Hi everybody, I'm here today with this inkless label maker. This is a great must-have label maker. Simple, easy to use, and it is app controlled, so you can control it directly from a tablet, phone, whatever you see fit. Label items in your fridge, in your pantry, in your cabinets for great storage purposes. As you can see here, it's inkless though, so keep your hands free and clear. This label maker is a must-have. Easy pop the top here, as you can see, as well as inserting batteries if needed and more tape as you need as well. So absolutely love this. This is so simple. Use the charging line or you can use the batteries, so it can be portable as well, whatever is easier for you. Simple, easy, convenient. Absolutely love. The app control is amazing as well. Customized and perfect and user friendly. So great. Label everything in your home, become organized and labeled. I absolutely love this. Give this for gifts or keep this for yourself. It's amazing. If you love being organized and having everything labeled and in its place, this is for you. So absolutely love this. You will too.